long story short, in this video, what you're gonna see is a girl breaking into my sister's boyfriend's truck to go to sleep, them coming home, basically seeing that she's there, opening it up, seeing what's going on, gave her a bunch of food and water, and then she ended up leaving. So check out the footage. So yeah, out in Surrey and the area around here, always make sure to check your vehicles, check your trailers, because one time there was actually a lady down the street who went into her trailer in the backyard. She heard the water running, and there was actually a guy living, a homeless dude living in her trailer. So always check your vehicles, lock your doors, trailers, everything, and that sheds everything just to let you know. But anyways, you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up for a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.